Hey guys, Mr. Carpenter here. We're going to look at whether a graph represents a function. Now, this is a pretty simple thing to do. We have something we can use called the vertical line test. And what we're looking for is, does each input have only one output, and is each input unique? So, based on the graph, we're going to be able to tell whether each input only has one output. So, now we can't tell if each input is unique, because if there's two inputs that are the same that share the same output, it would not look any different. So our graph could not tell us that, but it can tell us that every input has a unique output. So remember, our x here equals our inputs, and our y up here equals our outputs. So when you have a x value, say of 2 right here, and if 2 is your input, then whatever this value is here, say negative 2.5, that would be your output. So this line represents our outputs based on each input. Okay, so what we're going to do, use our vertical line test. As we run this vertical line across our graph, we should only cross our graph once at any given point on this graph. If there's any time in which we cross this line in two places, say it curves back on itself or something like that, or if we have two lines, then we would not have a function, because we'd have two outputs for a given input. So this graph checks out. This graph is a function, because as I go along the line over here, I only have one output for each input. I am only crossing the line at one place at any given moment, even right here.